Buenos. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the 1963 Ford Thunderbird is made step by step.
Watch the coils on the left. Clear the ramp, we've got the leather coming down.
Through a precise balance of materials and immense pressure, we ensure the authentic, classic Thunderbird shape. Every 1963 Ford Thunderbird is refined and tested for quality at every stage. Every 1963 Ford Thunderbird is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how the 1963 Ford Thunderbird is made, Horobim Pais, from start to finish.